Oh, I'm so sorry. You might be thinking, why I'm laughing for no reason. Maybe I need some treatment. But excuse me, you all guessed me wrong. I am doing laughter yoga. Laughing is and will always be the best form of therapy. A very blissful morning to one and all present over here. I am Sakshi and today I am presenting my views on popular sayings laughter is the best medicine. The very first question that comes into everyone's mind on hearing this is how is laughter the best medicine? This is proven that laughter helps in decreasing our stress hormones, activates our muscles, and even increases the blood flow inside our body. It helps us to recover from major life threatening situations. A good hearty laugh every day relieves a person from stress and physical tension. Thus, even muscles are relaxed after a good laugh of 45 minutes. If you laugh a lot when you get older, your wrinkles will be at right place. Also, if you are looking for a quick weight loss, just call your friend for 15 minutes, laugh like a joker, and wow, look, you have burned 10 to 40 calories depending upon your weight and how intense your laughter is. Laughter does not help us in building our physical and mental health but also helps us building our personality. An essential ingredient for developing your sense of humor is to not take yourself too seriously and laugh at your own mistakes. Be like those children who convert their problems into games, giving them a sense of responsibility and humor to play with their problems and find new solutions. When you take yourself too seriously, it can be hard for you to think outside the box. But when you take the problem and take yourself not too seriously, you can often transfer that problem into a new solution. Here are two examples of people who took everyday problems and turned them through laughter and play. Roy, a semi-retired businessman, was finally excited to devote his time to his favorite sport, golf. But the more he played, the less he enjoyed himself. Although his game has improved dramatically, he got angry with himself over and over every mistake. Roy wisely realized that his golfing buddies has affected his attitude. So he stopped playing with the people who focus more on their goals than on having fun. When he started to play with the people who focus more on fun than on having goals, he was now less critical of himself and this game spread through other parts of his life. Jane worked at home designing greeting cards, a job she used to love but now felt had become a routine. Two girls who used to live next door, eventually Jane invited them. At first she was just looking at the girls, but later she pretended with the girls, playing with the art supplies. This doesn't end her boredness and loneliness but also help her relationship flourish with her husband. As laughter, play, and humor become integrated in your life, laughing opportunities with your friends and loved ones will occur. But if you are having such a problem that you are feeling too stressed, oh, I can't do this work, this is so stressful for me, my exams are coming, this chaos would already exist in your life. You need a laughter, a ball full of popcorns, and a laughter movie in front of you. Call your friend, laugh like a joker, watch a movie, watch Kapil Sharma, and look, you have burned your calories. You have increased the immune cells. You have decreased the stress hormones. What other multitasker is a laughter? Nothing is more relief like laughter, which is available anywhere, anywhere, and anywhere. Laughter is the bestest medicine one could ever have. No other medicine could cure any disease just like laughter could do. As laughter, play, and humor become integrated in your life, laughter opportunity with your loved ones and friends will occur. Be like those children who convert their problems into games. giving them a sense of responsibility and humor to play with their problems. Because human race has only one effective weapon, and that is laughter, laughter and laughter. Thank you.